February 8, 20 SGR Sierra Golf Romeo Beach Resort Maitum. Here's my accommodation for tonight. 5-star accommodation here. Carabiner clip, loop, a lot of loops. Put your carabiner clip here. Then of course I brought with me concrete nail. This is 10 mm nylon, right? So you can sleep here. This is my accommodation for tonight. Alright, good night. Yeah, this is while it's not yet raining, to refresh along the seashore. Pahayahay, February 8, 2024 SGR Maitum. So that's my spare, and this is my final accommodation for tonight. All of us stay there, but I prefer to stay outside. So here's the clip here. Although it rains, the water will not soak you, rainwater, so you can lie down here. Yeah, that's where you rest for tonight, where I rest for tonight. As I have said, you have to avoid slipping down so that you will not fall down. I also put here, I brought hammer and concrete nail. So that's the loop here for the carabiner clip. That's the carabiner clip. Another carabiner clips there, and here another concrete nail. And I bought this at the name of the store is Unitop. Unitop Merdal City. It's only 45 pesos, but it can carry the weight of a 500 kilograms cow, or hogs, or ball. So that's my accommodation for tonight. Let's see people down here. It's not too cold anyway. Uy, wow, wala lang. Ito sa payag siya. Sige. May kaduyan na to siya, Good night. Come here, kiss. Come here, kiss. Come here. Yeah, because because I'm giving you toy tomorrow. Tomorrow. Kiss, papa, kiss. Abtik. Bribery. 6 o'clock, February 9, 2024. I'm still inside my yeah, let's look around. This is my tent looks like outside. Yeah, this is my Duyan. I just woke up anyway. Good morning. This Maitum Beach. February 9, 2024. Let's go out try the Duyan. It's rain outside. Ay, umulan kagabi ah. Yeah. Yeah, basta yung aking Ano ganin ni nga beach? Anong ngalan sang beach? H.SGR? Ha? Lipat ko. This is Maitum. Anong ngalan sang beach? HGR? Ha?
SGR.
Letter S?
SGR.
Sierra Golf Romeo.
Yep.
Sierra Golf Romeo. February 9, 2024. Maitum. Yeah, morning. It's February 9, 2024. SGR Beach.Maitum. This is my accommodation last night. May Duyan. Yeah, okay. That's it. So that's my 5-star accommodation. Duyan. SGR Beach.Maitum. That's our company there. And this is my Duyan, my accommodation last night. Yeah. So that's my Duyan. Let's look around. Rambo is there. Also with the Duyan. This is the beach, although it's not the white beach, but I really appreciate it's really an entire component of a large ocean. Yeah, that connects from here, so the most part of the Philippines to that's SGR. Yeah, beach resort. They're constructing a water park. February 9, 2024. SGR Beach, Sierra Golf Romeo. Yeah, somewhere Maitum. Let's look around. It's black sand beach. It's around 6:30 or 6:15 in the morning. Yeah. SGR Beach. It's a black sand beach, not white sand. In contrast to the other side, it's Sarangani. It's part of Sarangani province. February 9, 2024. The other side has a white beach there. I don't know where, but it's, I think, Glen is somewhere nearby. It's a white sand there, white sand beach, but here it's all black like that. It's just nice, wonderful. It's a wonderful feeling that you are on the beach, like this one. Yeah, you know, it's a real beach, you know. Not only lake. Yeah, that's a feeling of a connection to the entire world. Yeah. It's not a lake, you know. It's an ocean. From here, connected towards the Mediterranean Sea. It's there connected, passing through Pacific. But we are located Maitum, Shira Golf Romeo, or SGR Beach Resort, Maitum, Sarangani Province.